All right, guys, we're gonna go over the emergency trauma dressing from NAR. Got these in all of our kits from ViTAC. Open this up. You want to keep your hands off of the interior of it just to keep it as clean as possible. And you're going to look for the wound site. If the wound site is down here, I'm going to just open this up and you're going to start seeing that white right there. So I'm going to get that on here and you'll see these little Velcro right here. So you're going to wrap this around and you're just going to keep wrapping around and keeping it as tight as possible. Now, after your first wrap, I like to add twists into it to add a little bit more pressure right over that wound site. So it concentrates that pressure instead of being spread across this thickness of it, it tightens it down to here. I'm gonna go keep wrapping it around. You can add another twist if you'd like, but as you go, pull some tension on it, use that elastic of the item, and then there you go, and get it so the elastic sticks. Then you have these little clips. You can see right here, they have these little teeth in them. You're just gonna wrap it around that last couple layers of the wrap to hold it into place. And then you're all set. Now, if you do wanna make this a little bit more tension, you can add more twists, of course, but the other thing you can do is add that twist, and then you can actually add solid objects or big rolls of gauze on here to help keep tension. So even if it's like this or like this, I can wrap that whole thing in here just like this to help keep, it's in essence just mimicking the manual tension you'd keep by keeping your hand here. So whatever it is, but then you just clip that back in. If you need to tape it, tape it. If you need to safety pin it, safety pin it. Whatever you need to do. But keep following us for more tips.